Did your anchor get stripped from the wall? Fix it in 1 minute. Okay, I have a shelf hanging in my bathroom and pulled away from the wall. That one's almost loose. And this one pulled all the way out of the wall. So I'm gonna try these. I bought them before. This one says it holds up to 75 pounds. So that ought to do it for me. Let's see how it goes and if they can be reused in the existing hole or is it too big? So the directions say to pre-drill a 1/4 inch hole. This is a little bigger, I'd say, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway. Seems to be going in nice and tight, so I don't think we'll need to do any other repair. And it really was that easy. Now I'll remove the other one. It's blowing out a little there, so I'm going to take my time, finish it in. My shelf just hangs from a keyhole. These are pretty long, so make sure you don't have any plumbing or anything behind the wall. Electrical, I was a little worried. Mine's between my sink and my toilet. Okay, we're back in business. I hope that was helpful and saved you some money and time. If so, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.